Are you ready to start selling on Fiverr? Here is the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile. Discover the do's and don'ts to ensure you are always on the right track. Hey guys, welcome back to Arena at Home. I do how-to online videos as well as work from home gigs. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel for more of that great content. First, let's talk about the things that you want to avoid when selling on Fiverr. Just to remember, your success on Fiverr is very important to you and the team as well. So you should avoid the following to keep in line with the community standards. Number 1, providing any misleading or inaccurate information about your identity. Opening duplicate accounts. Requesting to take communication and payment outside of Fiverr. Soliciting other community members for work on Fiverr. So now that you know some of the things that you should avoid if you want to start selling on Fiverr, let's go ahead and look at some of the things you should do when you're creating your seller profile. Number 1 is to add your profile picture. Putting a face to your name is going to give a great impression. And remember, your first impression matters. So create a profile that will stand out from the crowd on Fiverr. Take your time in creating your profile so it's exactly as you want it to be. Add credibility by linking out to your relevant professional networks. Accurately describe your professional skills to help you get more work. And in order to keep the community secure for everyone, they may ask you to verify your ID. So make sure you provide the correct information. Now that you know some of the things that you need to avoid when you're creating a seller profile, or when you want to start selling on Fiverr, create a gig of the service you're offering and start selling immediately. Publish your gig and start making money online.